This is a very Cape Cod question, the next one, okay? As I understand it, and I'm not an accountant, so I don't know much of this stuff, but there's a new death tax.
Okay.
It's moved up to $2 million, I think.
Correct. The estate tax threshold, $2 million. Yeah.
So does my house in the Cape make me rich?
So we were joking about this before the show started or before we started taping. So it depends on where your house is on the Cape, right? If you're looking over an ocean bluff and you're watching a sunrise come across the horizon, that could make you rich. You could be very house rich, and a lot of folks are house rich because of their view, because of where their house is located, proximity to the beach and things like that. The way the $2 million estate tax threshold works is if you pass away and you have more than $2 million in your name, the state is going to ask you to pony up some money as part of an estate tax. Okay. The change in the law made that $2 million threshold. The taxes are on anything over $2 million. Okay. Now, the old law went back to if you just went over the $1 million threshold by a nickel, it brought everything back from $1 and you had to pay taxes on all that. So the change in the tax law raised the threshold to $2 million, and then it makes the estate tax liable on the value of the estate over $2 million. But this is only when you're passing your estate, usually down to children. So husbands and wives get a full marital deduction. So when one spouse passes away, the other spouse isn't saddled with the estate tax bill at that point. The estate tax bill is usually only an issue when that money passes down to the kids. That's usually what happens.
Okay.